Okay guys, so we're gonna go to McDonald's. This is stuck now. I hope it won't change until then. What are you planning to buy in McDo?
Skibidi Gatters.
Oh, what about you, Sam?
My brain's
Three pieces of chicken, one rice.
I'm gonna guess
ball.
what Steven is gonna get. 3 big cheeseburgers. Big Mac cheeseburgers.
You know what?
Four
you know,
fries.
You know what am I gonna get?
What?
A big ass fry.
Come on, it's so hot here. Let's just...
Wait,
hold on. Can I just...
no,
I won't break it, dog. I'm not... So today we are in Stack Academy.
This is a tour of our school.
Wow.
And that is the sink. That is a sink.
Wow. Internary sink. This is wow. It's so
Washing its
healthy.
hands.
Skibidi.
Okay,
Sigma.
hello. Wait, three.
This is a brain-
Wait, three, 2, 1. Go. Hello, everyone. Today we are in Stack Academy, and we are going to give you a tour. This is
A PWD ramp.
Yeah, because we don't have, even though we don't have
This is an asymmetrical slide.
Ass.
This is the computer lab.
Wow.
Which is we used to go and grade.
Yeah, but then someone took a wreck of it and then someone shut it.
Like, that is the famous jackfruit tree.
Yeah.
Jackfruit or
It's a jackfruit. Yeah,
To be
it's
honest,
jackfruit.
guys, it's not even famous.
it smells so bad.
Wait, I'm doubting if either it's jackfruit or durian because of
Yeah.
the smell.
Yeah.
Or it's just jackfruit,
just
but it's
mirror
not
has
rotting.
Bro, Loki.
Hi guys, so
Bro, wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle.
I have
Tainin mo na
COVID
ko.
here, guys, because I can't smell anything anymore.
Wait, hold on. What is that? Come here, guys.
It's a registration area.
Yes, this is the learning area.
No, this is where our
This was the learning area before the visitors thing.
I know this thing.
Oh, it's a
yeah,
game.
this is the like first you have to pick out the
Let's
card.
play.
No, because like in
Where are the cards? Oh, it's under there.
Bro.
Just think.
Cameraman, be proper. So this is
Oh my god.
sorry.
Rest in peace. It's just so
Yeah, that was our
tiring.
favorite person.
Yeah, I know that she died because of a bomb.
Next is this is just like
This is
two
the
in
register office, but open.
It's so
And this is the principal's office,
one, which is cold as frick.
yes. So now we're gonna take a stroll so that we hopefully do not get bangga by a car.
That's cool.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, cameraman.
And then here is the ALS facility. They have a resource center and the skills laboratory. And then we're gonna walk over to the junior high school.
That used to be grade 7, but they moved all the way to
Yeah, but also this was supposed to be, di ba pa grade 1, dirito ang saan ni?
But is that a
Ang pole? Dirito ang flagpole, no?
Yeah.
Don't get scared. It's a bee.
Where are you guys?
Why are you being such a scaredy cat? So this is Agapito G. Flores.
Yeah.
No people here right now.
It's Agapito.
It's Agapito, not
Oh, this
Agapito.
is AG. At this Vienna's here.
Wow. Oh, I heard Fritz had a fight with Keisha or something. What? Okay, wait. We must continue.
Okay, next
We must
is
continue our
old
tour.
flagpole there.
Yeah, this is where the old flagpole was supposed to be.
How did they rip that out?
They cut it off.
Guys,
Then there's our new flagpole now, right beside the tree.
Remember before we used to line up there when it was like 8 a.m. and then it was
Oh yeah.
oh, no,
Yeah,
everyone's having
there's
class.
people here. What?
We're gonna go back.
Wait, but we have to take a stroll around. We must tour.
okay, guys. So do you know Stack is 100% stupid?
Stop. So this is grade 7 during Zara. Currently full of people.
Ancient.
Yeah. It's so 900 years old.
No one uses it.
Just one touch and everyone will go away.
This is our basement.
Oh yeah.
Our
This is
hotel-
grade 8.
this is-
Anthony
Our hotel room.
Oh yeah.
Our hotel room.
This is where we take a shit and then we also take a nap.
Yeah.
That's where they keep all the kids.
Yeah. This is a little owie. Hi sir. Wowza. Wowza.
Nag-orientation mo karon no.
What?
That is piano friends.
Oh, they're inside. Look, it's the smart people.
Come on, dili mo smart.
Really, sir. Really, really smart. Sad.
Hi. Hi. I have a camera now.
Hi guys.
I have a camera now. Say hi, Svian.
How is broadcasting?
It feels great.
Na-broadcasting mo?
Wala pa.
Na-broadcasting mo? Ikaw leader.
Yes, Dai.
Ayaw natin siya, wapa mo mga dyan.
Bye. Please.
Good luck broadcasting.
Yes, thank you.
Filipino ka? Filipino ka?
Yes,
Badaw po
Filipino
kalawan
siya.
mo badaw ka English or Japon ka?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Okay, we gotta go now. We must continue. Wait. Thank you. Okay, now we must continue the tour.
You keep abusing me.
Hey, you literally said, I hope I never see you again. Very, very rich shoes. $10,000. Morning, sir. What kind of fetish do you have? That's disgusting. You literally smelt that.
Yes, that hurts so much.
Yes, it's very tall. A giant would feel. Hi. Hi. Hello. The camera can see them because of the flower and the net. Orientation thing. Yeah. Okay, now we must continue the tour.
Oh my gosh, people there. They're broadcasting.
Oh, really?
Damn. How does she know they're broadcasting even though we met them? Did we meet them?
I mean, I was in RSPC. I think I kind of recognize them. This is the laboratory in junior high.
A meeting with a GMA guy thing. And then like
The GMA
one of
guy
the-
thing? What do you mean? It was so weird. Okay, I'm sorry. What
Like one of the guys had like sexy boy.
Pupuyo nila. Say sexy. Sam, continue the tour.
Okay, so that is the information.
Yeah, and then this is the library where we used to abuse everything.
This is the sign that Zach is against.
Yes.
This is the library.
Yeah, this is where we used to.
Remember in grade 1 we used to search for people kissing her?
Oh yeah. No, we didn't. There was no Wi-Fi here.
I think I did before.
Okay, well, there's
There
a
was like a
secret.
map here, but
Wow.
they took it away.
It is so amazing. It is so skibbity.
Skibidi. Okay.
We must continue the tour, everybody.
The journey. The journey of the red rose.
All right. All right. So what?
We're gonna take one big full round of this.
Okay.
Salmon diet No!
Imagine we're watching this when we grow up,
That would be so
and then I would just send it to you guys.
This, I went here before grade 9.
Yeah. So this is called Antoine Laurent Lavoisier. This is the inside.
Why are they like literally like bro, leave the French alone. Why are they
They're scientists.
Oh.
They're inventors.
Where's their French?
What about that? Thomas Edison, the creator of Tesla. It's supposed to be Tay. Tay Hyun. Ta A. Oh my wait, they have a new emporium or something.
We had a communion, like something with like God here. We did like confession.
Oh yeah, this is the confession. Oh yeah, this is here.
Wait, what?
This is the confession room.
No, we had to go there and
Oh,
then
okay.
go there.
Okay, sorry. Look, it's La Porte.
Oh, do you hear the choir? Wait. They're so cool.
Coverage, like coverage. Aray! Ow! Ow!
That is
Perfecto.
oh my, the sound just
Shut up.
sound.
The viewers are trying to listen to it.
Okay, so we
don't
forgot
even
to go to our secret place.
Sammy, don't even.
Oh yeah. Shut up. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. I'm just joking.
We're talking about something.
Probably the mosquito breeding site.
Breeding.
There's a lot of mosquitoes.
Yeah.
We used to eat. Yes, in grade 4 we used to eat here.
And there is a secret site.
Yes, there's a secret like table.
Yeah, I used to eat there.
Prickly precautions. And when we were right there, we used to like say hi to the drivers who would pass by.
Oh yeah, or there would be like people.
And there was a cat there. The cat.
Oh,
the cat big
yeah.
thing. No, the cat yellow thing.
Yeah, exactly.
The yellow cat thing.
Yeah.
And I think the South Korea plane is still here.
Oh yeah.
And this is where we used to take our like end of the year weight and height.
Yeah, and then everyone would make fun of me for gaining 500 grams.
What is the? This is senior high. See?
Yeah, this is the senior high.
There's a lot of them.
The senior high area is kind of big. It actually is big.
This part is the most beautiful part of Spain.
Yeah, so guys, this is the airport. This is the airport warehouse or something.
Boy, there used to be dandelions here.
I know. And then this is where we used to line for the Olympics.
Single dandelion.
That's a Mexican flower.
They moved it.
Look, it's saying tacos.
And there used to be our old canteen where we used to go to.
Oh yeah.
And you know that bar that we used to stand on?
Oh yeah. And then in grade 1 I used to come here to hug ate or something.
I remember like Shara, Thea, Alexa, and Liv's anniversary was here.
What?
1 month anniversary.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I have no idea. It's supposed to be 1 year anniversary, is it?
1 year or 1 month?
She said it was an anniversary, even though it's supposed to be a month. Sorry.
Monthsary? Oh, this looks good.
Wait, do you remember there's another secret place there, and then like
come here,
we used to
What
hide
the hell?
To go.
Why are there a lot of secret places?
So this place is really the most calming place I have ever been to. I usually go here when the senior high doesn't have.
Really?
Yeah.
Dumb.
And what do you mean? We used to choke each other.
What the?
Yeah. We used to steal my own.
Okay, so this is their research things. And what grade is this? I don't know.
One of our classmates became mature yet.
Yeah.
Serum.
Oh, I think they did an intercourse thing.
This is so sad, guys. Like I watched this.
Truth serum.
This is my mom.
Look.
Yo, this.
Ay,
this
imong
looks
utang!
good.
Imong utang!
Oh, is it Mary's trying to looks like an octopus. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. It looks so great. Yeah.
And by the way, like one time.
Chisias ko sa islang pantropiko. Hey, sa White Sand kasi pa my love with you. Wow.
Shut up.
Lata eh.
You know, one time I went there.
Yeah?
And I saw all of the boys like eating,
Yeah?
and it was disgusting.
Physical science? Oh.
Where's physical science?
This is a secret place. If you dare to go here, you'll stink.
I used to go.
Take a risk. It's
That is
That's so bad.
teacher.
Oh my god, did they go to 3 nights of no water?
Curriculum?
Huh? Oh yeah, matatag.
Matatatag.
Matataag. This is the canteen where other people used to will and still buy French fries and barbecue.
And that's where Starbucks is my favorite.
Yeah, Starbucks, the supporter of genocide. Thank you.
Guys, that's where we had food poisoning over there.
And then this is where we used to have fun. And then someone put an atomic bomb inside it. What?
Oh yeah, like a skating place.
Oh yeah.
Because of the
Oh, crackhead. Let me draw something. Let me draw something.
I remember somebody draw balls. Bigat. Bigat. No wait. I am no. Bigat. At. Bigat. I'm scratching my booty.
What the heck?
Wow.
That
Okay,
is
come on, let's
that is very spectacular of me.
Bro, why are they giving credit for someone who painted this door?
Oh yeah.
They're giving credit for someone
No, I think they painted other parts and then.
who put an atomic bomb in.
Oh my god.
Wait, there's test papers.
Oh my, we can enter. Should we go
We
inside?
can't enter. Look at it.
We can.
Go in there.
Holy shit, we can.
Okay. Imagine we had a deep clean.
The aftermath of the 2021 typhoon.
Guys, it's deep clean.
Let's deep clean it. You go
call the clean
first.
girl
Oh yeah. And then, I like cleaning, and then she sees this stuff and she says, "I don't like it anymore."
She's like, I'll pay you one.
Are we forgetting the reason of why we're taking a video around campus?
We're doing a tour.
Yeah, I know, but we look like we're just.
Copy.
Oh my god! Is it delicious?
We can enter.
You wanna crack it?
This is actually one of the most cleanest.
Oh yeah. We could
guys.
stay for a night here.
Sam, do you remember where like people were?
Oh, it's a cat! It's a cat!
Sam, do you remember when people were looking looking for us?
Yeah.
And then like we were actually at the gym and they said that they went to the airport.
It's a cat!
Where?
It's in there! Look! Where? Oh, I know! You're so fucking blind!
Sam, there's moss. Moss.
Moss won't hurt you, dumbass.
It doesn't like you.
Aww.
We're gonna extort you. Damn, my ears change.
Oh my god! It's Minion!
There's no minion. Is that all?
That's a minion!
Then
Dumb.
what if they made a movie about three students who were exploring the abandoned?
And then someone kidnapped them and made fun of them for
no,
being
what if
stupid
What if
people.
it's like a story where we're
What? Wait! Don't forget me! Don't forget me! Oh my god!
oh, by the way, this is the gate who leads into dumb things.
I feel personally attacked.
I feel personally attacked. So creepy.
What the fuck?
Damn, those chairs look like someone's sitting on it.
Let me see.
Hey, you wanna sit down? Window.
There's mosquitoes, you might get dengue.
Boom, bitch.
Okay, by the way, there's leaves here who can like fly like a helicopter.
Wait, guys, don't forget me. This is my face, by the way.
By the way, that's the first classroom I ever used.
Oh yeah, this is where is.
I look at that black.
Yeah, we used to eat here.
Yeah. This is where they would set up their stalls.
Wait, I haven't really done Okay, we're almost done.
No, it's mine.
So this
That was a camera, by the way.
is the place where me and Naomi used to like break.
Oh yeah, this is where we found an empty toilet here.
What? Oh yeah, it's the toilet. I remember like one of the grade 4 side like there was monster.
This is inside the gym, by the way.
Inside like there was like oh this
There are
is
a lot of
broken,
people.
bathroom and I used to pee. Oh my gosh, my ears
Oh,
are
yeah.
burning.
What?
So loud. Oh, I remember somebody said they had the third eye. Oh, they're mating. Sam, I remember somebody said.
What do you mean mating? There's only one cat.
They had a third eye. There was a random guy there. No,
Nanay mapako nga na.
What if we go ahead and push it?
Oh, no!
Agoy! Agoy! Nahulog!
So many brain rot kids
Say
here.
hi,
Hello.
Alex.
Hello everybody. Today we'll be documenting on the brain rot kids. These kids are around the age of kinder to grade 1. They watch too many skibidi toilets.
Wow.
Yeah. And too many brain rot content.
Okay, so what is your hypothesis in this scientist, Alexander
So,
Salva?
what we need to do to stop these children is to limit their screen time on the iPad and reduce production of said iPads.
What more reason is because of brain rot thing?
Skibidi toilet.
Yes, list more.
And then we have Lego, which they turn into monsters for somehow.
Yes.
And then they start becoming bastos.
Yes.
And then lastly, because there's iPad, because they will be hooked to the iPad, and if you expose them when they're babies, they will become hooked and addicted, and they'll never
Oh
leave.
my, that is so real, guys. Everyone is getting infected by brain rot. She likes watching. Yeah, see. I like seeing big man booty.
Have a date with your crush or something. And like,
Look at my beautiful classmate who has a beard under.
I don't have one.
Yeah, you do.
This is one
The microparticles are speaking for itself.
No, actually, don't.
You have some here.
No, that's my quad.
Like it's here. It's like here. Stop it.
It's my
Okay, now get the fuck off. You're trying to tour, remember?
talking to that guy.
We're already done. Thank you for your hypothesis, sir. Thank you.
Still gonna tour the grade 1.
I know.
This kindergarten, which is Peter Mark.
Fuck off. Shut up. This is. It's an orientation. I did the middle finger. In grade 1.
Do you remember?
Dito siya nadagwa.
They made a huge hole in it.
Oh yeah, he was there earlier. What?
Is that Sir Koan's voice?
Sir Seth.
His voice?
Huh?
Is that his voice?
I don't know.
I thought it was a girl.
This is grade 4. Oh, it's groom 3. And this is groom 2.
Come with me.
Yeah, sure.
You're gonna ask water.
Oh yeah, sure.
You're gonna ask water?
No. Okay,
Are you
that
gonna ask
concludes
anything
our
from the
tour.
parents?
Thank you.